Bonjour à tous et bienvenue pour la première leçon en français à Nous, à Un. This will be your first French lesson for the level A1. Now for this first lesson, I would like to start with the French persons. Same as in English and other languages, we have three persons in French also. First person perspective, second person perspective, and third person perspective. Now, for the first person, we are referring to either I'm referring to myself or in a group as a whole. For second person perspective, I would be referring to the person that is next to me. For example, you are in this video is my video is directed to you, my speech is directed to you, so you will be the second person. And third person perspective is any person that is not kind of present here. Okay, on y va. So, in French, I would be je. That is French je and e. Je. For we in French, that is nous. N-O-U-S. Nous. Okay. For you, actually, I may be missing a point here if I don't mention it. In French, there are two ways of actually speaking. When you meet a new person or in a formal situation, you always refer to the plural part of the second person. For example, if for example I'm talking to my mother and I have to talk to her with respect, I would say vous. Now you must understand that vous is used for second person perspective, but it can be used for both. If you're talking in respect, you're talking formally, or you're talking to a group of people. For example, I hope that many people would be seeing this video, so you will all be for myself, both from the respectful side and for your size and the quantity, vous. And for example, if I have to talk to any person that is familiar to me and that with whom or with her I'm talking in a non-formal situation, I would say tu. So just remember, for the second person perspective, there are two words in French. First one is tu, used in informal situations, and for singular person. And second one is vous, used in formal situations or for an increased number of quantity. Third person. Now, as I already told you that for everything there is a gender in French. So for example, in English we use they or them, and we'll talk about them later, but if we talk about simple third person perspective, that would be they. So in French, if the third person that you're referring to is a male singular, we would say il, he. And if it's a female singular, we'll say elle, as in she. Now the same rule applies for the third person plural as well. Now pronunciation is the same. It's the same, il and elle, but we add an s to show that we are referring to a group of people. Now for writing, obviously that would be clear that if I have added an s, that would be for a group of people. But in speaking language or in listening, that will be based on the context. So ELS for masculine third person plural or masculine and feminine combined third person plural, that would be il. And if all the third person that we're referring to are females or feminine, we will use elle, U L L N-U-S. Thank you very much. That will be all for this video. I hope you liked my video. Please subscribe to my channel, comment if you have any kind of questions, and like this video and share this video with your friends and family who want to learn French. Bonjour à tous.